Hey Wagwan, you're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to download music from AudioMack straight into your phone storage. If you're new on my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button below and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I'm Kedas Clinic, a superstar trap boy. If you're interested in the video, let's get into the video right now. Okay, the first thing I'll be doing is to download the music. I want to download to my storage. Download first on AudioMack. Let me search for Fireboy. Okay, let me download Peru. Okay, I don't want to wait. Peru download. Okay, it's downloaded already. Downloaded. Now I'll head to my files app, my file manager, files. Then I click on internal storage. Android data. Then look for com.audiomack files. Then AudioMack. Then I'll change the file into an mp3. Click over here, rename it in .mp3. Okay, I have to say it changed into an audio file immediately. Now let me play it so you can listen to it. Can see that. That's how to go about it. Right now I can change the name again. Fireboy Peru. And okay, that's how to go about that. If you are new here on my channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button below. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a like and share with your friends and family. Until we meet again, peace.